A specialty of the house, so to speak, here at Magna-Tech is our passion and our interest in developing our collection of analog motion picture equipment from the golden age of Hollywood. It includes a pretty good variety of early materials, which go back to the silent days of cinema, and comes all the way through to the 1960s. The collection includes hand-operated 35 millimeter projectors, sound projectors which not only worked with sound on film, but with disc synchronized with the film, studio equipment including hand-cranked 35 millimeter both wooden and metallic cameras, 35 millimeter blimped cameras which were used on sound studios sets from the late 1920s all the way through to the 1960s. A variety of studio equipment including speaker systems, amplifiers, microphones, lighting equipment, spotlights, film printing equipment, and lab gear that is pretty esoteric today. What may have been going into the dumpster 5 or 10 years ago is now considered museum items. And so we've kind of specialized in that. Our restoration department has qualified individuals who have been in this business, some of them for as long as 50 years. And they are able to take a camera or a projector or a sound system and completely restore it to its original operating condition. We have done this on numerous occasions, and even for production companies like HBO. We recently did a Philip Roth show requiring a 35 millimeter dual projection system from 1937, 1938. And we recreated it on a set, fully operational. If you've seen the show, which is called The Plot Against America, you will see lots and lots of images of the creation which we worked on for that show. But we've done that for lots of TV shows. The variety of work that we get involved in with old gear, with old analog gear, is tremendous. And we'd like to make it available to you as well. If you have an interest in this sort of thing, whether you're a collector or somebody who has a project going, we'd like to hear from you.